Heading out tonight with a bunch of my mum's cousins basically, so it's all my mum's generation, all my generation, and so their kids were supposed to be coming but they've all cancelled last minute, which is a bit of a shame. So we're heading to Escape and hopefully going to a bar. I think I don't really want to go, to be fair, but mum's kind of forcing me to, so hopefully it will be good. Just got back, nothing really happened, to be fair. We just went to, I think it's called the Winter Seamer Escape, and just hung out and chatted and got deep and emotional, but that was about it. Mum says she's gonna have one Pringle.
She's just had two. So
we're gonna. Have you actually? You've already had a big English breakfast. Wow. So we quickly nipped a cargo, and this is how Mum decided to park. Literally half outside. So it's Bonfire Night tonight. Well, actually technically it's tomorrow, but nevertheless we're having our bonfire tonight, so it should be really fun. I'm taking the dogs for a quick walk. Just called at McDonald's. I feel like I'm always vlogging McDonald's, but I literally have it like once every 2 weeks max, so it's not that many. But I'm taking the dogs for a quick walk. I tried something new with my stripes today, so they're pretty perfect. I'm putting a video up on them a bit later next week, I think. But yeah, it was a really pretty sunset tonight, and now the fireworks have started going off and Tilly is absolutely petrified. So it was a bit of a struggle to get her to come out, but she's okay now. She's just staying by my side.
What was eating sausage?
With sausage. It's actually Bonfire Night tonight, it's the 5th of November, and we're about to go and do some sparklers. No one wanted to do them yesterday, so I didn't want to be the only one, so I'm going to do some now. Oh, the lights come on. You have to come over here to get away from the lights. Yeah, same.